This small family unit, with some others safely on the phone, bid a quick farewell to their 69-year-old father and grandfather, who went to hospital with a finger wound and came out with COVID-19. His grandson, Ezron, is in shock.
O que a gente passou, cara, não é bom, eu não desejo nem pro meu pior inimigo. Não desejo isso para ninguém.
Tragedy, though, doesn't end with his family. Here, in the city of Manaus, northwestern Brazil, excavators are digging trenches en masse. And while they bury their dead, President Jair Bolsonaro has compared the pandemic to a little flu, shaking the hands of his supporters in restaurants and supermarkets and joining massive protests pressuring governors and mayors to loosen lockdown measures. A move that could bring even more pain to the people of Manaus. According to the Secretary of Health for Amazon State, ICU beds in Manaus are at 85% capacity. And as the city's confirmed case count remains among the highest in Brazil and rising, hospitals buckle under the threat of COVID.
Eu tenho pouco mais de 17 anos de formação, né, como enfermeira. Nunca vi um cenário desse, né, de adoecimento, de colapso mesmo do sistema de saúde. Fico extremamente preocupada, estou numa posição de gestora, mas, acima de tudo, sou enfermeira também.
For Sandra, it's all too much.
Os outros junto com outros, é justo que estão fazendo.
Her mum was admitted after having a stroke, and now she says her mother's tested positive for COVID.
Mas lá dentro tem gente que tem vírus lá contaminado, entendeu? Estou junto com o pessoal que estão com o normal.
With ICU beds in short supply, many patients have been moved to maternity wards. This undercover video shows expectant mothers sitting face-to-face with COVID patients.
Esse aqui é o preparo onde os pacientes ficam fora de parte. Você vê a proximidade entre elas, que não é respeitada. Esses pacientes não têm leite para elas. E aqui a sala fica igualmente onde tem uma paciente com Covid.
Medical staff here say they feel unprotected, abandoned and powerless. On this ward, a nurse is seen working without personal protective equipment. Understandably, it's taking a toll.
Eu estou me sentindo muito mal, cansada, eu estou estressada, o meu psicológico está abalado, eu não consigo dormir direito, eu tenho pesadelos, eu fico lembrando dos meus colegas que já faleceram, tem muitos colegas que morreram por causa desse Covid.
And Erin, that nightmare you heard there, that is likely to continue with no end in sight as President Jair Bolsonaro continues to push for those lockdown restrictions to be loosened, basically saying that economic downfall will take a greater toll on the country. Meanwhile, we've seen over the weekend his supporters have been out at some of his rallies, completely ignoring social distancing rules, and that has many people fearful, of course, that the number of cases in Brazil could continue.